Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to not play any game, but we are going to code. So I went up on a web search right here and I searched what to make like a calculator, something like that. So this is a calculator you're going to make using Python, and let's get started. So first we need to print the calculator. I'm gonna save it the calculator. Uh, calculate calculator. Then over here, going to make a new folder. Save it as calculator. And this, I'm gonna save it like that. No, to run this. Then it's going to print this is calculator. Yeah, calculator. So now we're going to make a value. So to make that, we're going to do value is equal to input. I'm even recording. Yeah, I'm recording. As is equal to put, then the sign is equal input. Then we're going to put value 1 is equal to input. So now after this program, we are going to make a answer is equal to int 0. Then what we are going to do? So we're going to put in function if, and then inside if we're going to put if sign is equal to double equal to. Let's put a multiplication sign here. Then what we're going to do is answer that answer is equal to, go set it to like answer is equal to also value the value, then answer we need to like multiply it. You need to use a function. So first we did testing, we need to put hello world text so to see it actually work. Look, it's just going forever. So right now this for testing at 0. As well to print hello world. So what we have to do is, in case of this, we need to we don't need an answer right here. So what we can do is we do the value multiplied by value 1. Then after this, we are going to print the value left. Maybe this should work. So turn multiplied by can multiply the sequence by non-int of type string. So right now we put this string. So what you have to do is we need to make it an int. So parsing teacher. Let's check it. if it is like this. So we're gonna search up Python parse integer. How do I compare the Python string to int? So what we have to do is that this we need to type. So before doing this, we're gonna do type like this. Now by type, you can type, then you can just type. I'm gonna change the type of the. So right now we need to do value. We need to do a value. Then we're gonna put this like this. Then you try to convert it to an int. So let's try this. Let's value that 5. String is object is not color. So right now what they're doing is string 10 type string this that. Right now this is not going to work anything. 100% that's tag geeks for geeks. Oh, let's try this. Now type no. So right now let's try value. Multiply by 10. This is an error, and so I think I get it. Now we getting the int value is equal to no like the value is equal to int value. This should work. And bye. So right now it's just returning. So it kind of right to understand if you're actually multiplying because we can print the value directly. So we need to like multiply a bit. So value multiply by value. When we did that, let's try it again to see really the issue. 10 multiplied by 5, 10. So just printing the value. So the issue is it's not getting we are multiplying the number. So what we need to do is value let's search out. Then you want to write out then value and a number use add a number using Python. Wait a second. Not that, I'm just here. So we have to do is int value plus value 1. Then maybe we need to do like this, value equal to int value 1. Then you're going to do value multiplied by value 1. That should maybe work. And multiply by 10 is number. Oh, instead of just doing this much stuff, we could just do this. So what did you do is that we're going to print the value, the result that will print value to multiply the value 1. Then this should work. And multiply by 50. So right over multiplying it. Now we can do an if sign is double equal to plus. We're going to just copy this code right here, paste it. But the only difference between these two code is that instead of multiply, we need to add. Then the last one, copy this, paste this. We're gonna set this to minus. Then we know our grade was mine. So we have done it. This is the print. Go set the key. So it's equal to multiply print plus is equal to add print minus is equal to subtract. So now this is the result. You can see below here. So the multiplication work, I'm gonna do 10 plus 10, 20. Then we're gonna do 10 minus 5, 5. So now what we have to do, we're going to go to my desktop. Let's go to calculator. Now, if you want to download this real quick, I am going to do this setup for you. So we are going to do show more options. I'm gonna open it, edit. Now what do you have to do is Python calculator that's it. Now we need to just have to fix it. Now it's okay. Just a few fixes that it's done. We're going to copy this code. Then we're gonna define start again. And then start again, we're going to put this code. The most painful part is to do this. Okay. I'm now not using my gaming. Not using. Then after every function, we're going to do start again. Going to let's copy this. -5. Start again. Modify. Instead of doing this painful things, I'm just going to delete all of this. And then going to rent any key to exit. Input. To do an input like that. Oh, I don't have to copy it. This. Let's test this now. 9 plus 9. That's how it works. So right now we have this. Then now we're just giving you files to actually download this thing, guys. So I think we're gonna end the video right here, guys. So bye, guys. See you in the next video, and make sure to like and subscribe because I'm very letting grow subscribers. So bye, guys. See you in the next video.